Imagine this. You wake up one morning, set an intention for the day, and by evening, you will get exactly what you wished for. Sounds magical, right? Manifestation has taken the internet by storm, with millions claiming they've attracted wealth, love, and success just by thinking about it. But is it really that simple? Or is there actual psychology behind it? Let us break it down. From social media influencers to best selling books, the idea that thoughts become things is everywhere. The law of attraction claims that if you focus on positive thoughts, you will attract positive experiences. But skeptics argue if it were that easy, wouldn't we all be millionaires by now? Now, let us talk about science. Psychologists say that manifestation isn't just about wishing, it actually activates something in your brain called the reticular activating system, which is RAS. This tiny part of your brain acts like a filter, deciding what information is important to you. Ever notice that when you think about buying a red car, suddenly you see red cars everywhere? That's your RAS at work. Manifestation might not be magic, but it does tap into powerful psychological effects like the placebo effect and the self fulfilling prophecy. When you truly believe something is possible, your brain aligns your actions, behaviors, and your decisions to make it happen. In other words, if you visualize success and work towards it, you are more likely to achieve it. Enjoying the video? Don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, press that bell icon so that you can never miss an update from this channel. Now, going back to the video. Now, here's the catch. Manifestation alone won't make you rich or successful. Just thinking about a dream job won't land it in your lap. The key is action. Manifestation works best when combined with goal setting, persistence, and hard work. In simple terms, visualize it but also take steps towards it. Even successful people like Oprah Winfrey and Jim Carrey have talked about using visualization to achieve their goals. But not everyone buys into it. Skeptics argue that correlation doesn't equal causation. Just because successful people visualize doesn't mean manifestation caused their success. So, what's the verdict? Manifestation isn't a magic spell, but it can shape your mindset, your boost confidence, and increase focus on opportunities. The real secret? Believe, act, and stay consistent. What do you think? Does manifestation work or is it just wishful thinking? Let us know in the comments down below. Subscribe, like, and stay tuned for more thought provoking content.